Okay, I lied. I'm going to use one more tool right here, this knife. And see, I put a line up here where I need to go. And I'm just going to notch this out of here. That out of there. Gotta be careful not to get up above the paint line. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Is it gonna be perfect? No. Is it gonna work? I believe it's going to. Let's see, I had to get it up high enough so that the next hole isn't too close to this one here, okay? So now, what am I gonna do now? Well, first off, ooh, I don't want to get too close with my fingers, do I? Does I? Yeah. See that part's just gonna come out. I may even flake off. I might have to flake off all this paint on here to make it look right, huh? So it doesn't look wrong, yeah? Okay, so now I can hold that in there. Oh, I gotta notch this right there. Too, looks like. Right there. Gotta notch that little part out too. Get my glove back on. Okay, so I'll work on that just a little bit longer. Right there. Oh no. No, baby. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Did you see that? That piece lifted up a little bit. I gotta be careful here. Ooh. I think I'm just gonna leave that like that, should I? I don't think I should go any further. Okay, so I can hold this up there. See how this paint's just coming off? And I'll take care of that in a minute. That's gonna go right in there like that. And let's see what I'm gonna do here to get that in. Hopefully the bottom screw is gonna hang on there. Right there. See, there's no way I can do that with that slotted screwdriver with that other screw. Okay, that's why I got these little smaller screws with the Phillips, and I'm almost inclined to think that I can use those screws right there. You know, as long as the door misses that, I should be fine, shouldn't I? Okay. Joe Guyver it. Leave that like that. Now, gonna take the other screwdriver and try to flake off that paint like that. Okay, like that. And I'll clean this up and show you what it looks like. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's time to try this door. I have not tried it yet, but see how old this doorknob is? You twist on it, see how I'm twisting this, and sometimes the handle comes out, sometimes, or the latch comes out, sometimes it doesn't. You turn this one. So they may have to improvise when they're opening this door. But see, if you go to the store, you're going to be hard pressed to find something to match this exactly thing. You got to take this out, and here, this is a mortise style side latch that fits in here because it's this tall from there down to there. And then you got the trim on the other side. So before you start ripping that off thinking you're going to just replace it willy-nilly, think about it, take a picture of it, measure it, go to the store and see what they have, you know. Okay, I have not closed this yet. Let's see. I may have to tweak it, but we're going to see. This is the first time to close it here for many years. Let's see if we can get it latched. Look at that. It's closing now. See there? Now I'm locked. Okay? That's all it was. So I raised it up. Have you take a quick look at that. See, I even left the bigger screws in there. See here, I put that back in. I cleaned this off. Looks better than it did. And see, there's plenty of gap here. See how big this gap is. This gap right there is actually wider than normal, and because of that, I was able to put those fatter screws in there. That's all I had, other than I could have possibly taken those out now that I had a little thread started, and then maybe drive these in. But these are harder to drive in without drilling a pilot hole first. No drill bits, no nothing. So this is really hard wood because it's an old door jamb. So I'm just going to leave it just like that. Joe Guyver at its finest. Hey, so next time you say, I can't do it, I don't have a hammer, I don't have a drill, I only have this, I only have that. Think about your job and ask yourself, what would Joe do? That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more